Hey. Can you see it in there? It's kind of dark, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't think it's picking it up.
Oh.
Turn the light on.
That does look cool, though, doesn't it?
Yeah. Just so you know, this is a Sinclair. One of Hampton-based newest. With a fast medium. Whoa. Nice startup sound. First. Low reverse. Sorry, I didn't show reverse on the Wellston. This thing's nice. It's very new. I like it. It's nice. High reverse. Startup sound. Okay. I'm gonna go back to downdraft. And then you can all watch the spin down. It doesn't even wobble. And yet it's quite powerful on high. Now here's the spin down. I'm keeping the light kit constantly on because it's normally dark in this room. And of course, I can just do this. But you didn't know there was a light in that closet. Hopefully that doesn't really help. Kinda does.
So what do they have open? Like one trail? Yeah.
No, I wouldn't bother going left.
I hope you can still see
Yeah,
it.
but it's kind of cool just to say, you know, you get out there before.
Well,
Alright, we're gonna come in. We got lots of stuff.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Get the light back on.
Like I said, my father's in the race league in there, so they had like the pre-season cocktail hour last week.
really?
So everyone from the race league went up there and I guess they had a good time.
This scared it might be like last year. They still got that. Last year was horrible. They didn't do well last year.
No?
Nope.
February tough
Mar-
season last
yeah,
year.
January, February is when they made their money, but
Yeah.
before then, nothing.
I know during Thanksgiving weekend they were making snow all weekend long. So I don't know what they still have left over, but I think this winter's gonna be a good winter for
what?
them.
Well, I don't know.
I'm sure it sounds like
Okay,
it's
let's
cold out,
people
so
can
they
make snow, but the main topic is the span.
Yeah,
I'm gonna turn the light back off. Oh yeah, that light in the closet did help. You can see this bulb not working. It must have already been burnt out.